Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your REALME 6 Pro Plus. First, remove the screen protector and case. If your screen protector extends to the edges or isn't applied correctly, it can cause issues, so take it off. For the case, if it covers the bezel and touches the screen, that can also cause ghost touches or unresponsiveness, so remove it. Then clean your screen with a microfiber cloth to remove debris, moisture, or fingerprints. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system. Press the power and volume up buttons, then swipe up to restart. As a last resort, update your software. Go to Settings, scroll to System and Update, tap Software Update, and check if you're on the latest version. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Updating can fix many issues, including ghost touch problems. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.